I'm Brittany Rivers, and today I decided to rock my real hair. So, okay, I'm lying, you guys. So this wig is a kinky straight wig from Black Girl Magic Hair. They actually reached out to me and asked me to try this glueless, pre-bleached, pre-plucked wig. Y'all, I am loving it. I have never had kinky straight hair. That's why I feel like, dang, this looks like it could be my hair for sure. This is how my hair looks like after I get a perm. Like if my hair was like a lot longer than it actually is. Like let's say, yeah, like what? 8-10 inches longer than it actually is. Like this hair is really, really pretty, you guys. And let me tell you, all I did was just throw this wig on. It is the perfect wig for beginners. It's the perfect wig for anybody just trying to have a wig to just put on really quickly, run to the store, run do this, run do that. Like this is the wig for you, you guys. So we are going to go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video, you guys. Like, hey guys, so I will be installing this Black Girl Magic wig, and I just love how they always have this bubble wrap around the box to protect it. I know some of you all like to keep your boxes, so this is super important if you want a nice, beautiful box. So let's go ahead and open this wig. Like, I am slowly falling in love with closure wigs and these glueless, pre-cut lace wigs. It just makes everything 1,000 times more easy. So it comes in this nice little bag, which I think is really cutesy. Got the branding on it over there. And here is the box, you guys. Here's the box. Very cute. BGM girl hair. Let's open it up and see what we have in here, you guys. Okay, we have a 24-inch kinky straight wig. I have actually never worn this texture before. Well, I feel like the kinky straight texture is super close to the 4C hair texture, so I'm super excited to try this wig. I know some of you all have been wanting to see me in a kinky wig or to review a kinky wig, so I got one for you all. Let's see. I don't know how it's gonna look though. I really don't. So here's the bag. Let's look at these little treats we have in here. Let's see. So it comes with a bonnet, which I do love, love, love. You get a nice little pink bonnet. Pair of lashes. Here's a headband. In case you do decide to glue this wig down for whatever reason, you have a headband. Here's an edge control brush. And 2 wig caps. So you have an HD wig cap and a regular cap. And I do love that they added a darker wig cap for like darker girlies. Sometimes you have to add a lot of makeup to wig caps that are this color to make it a little closer to your skin tone. So I'm happy you have like a little darker wig cap. So this is like, it's telling you to go to BGM on TikTok. Okay, check out their TikTok. And this is just about reviewing the hair and how to care for the hair. So that is super cool. But let's look at this here wig, because I've never, ever, ever had a kinky straight wig. And I've seen some people actually like flat iron a kinky straight wig to where it looks like a beautiful silk press. I've never gotten a silk press in my life, you guys. Growing up, I never went to get my hair done. I think the only time I got my hair done was maybe prom in my life by somebody else. So it would be nice to like see what this is like. Okay, this is really pretty. This is pretty. Okay, let me take it out of this netting. This is nice. It really looks like my hair. If I did flat iron it, this is exactly how my hair would look. Like, this is really cute. It really does. That's insane. Look at that. So, as you can see, it is already pre-cut and the knots are bleached on the lace. Like, look at that. And the hairline is pre-plucked, you guys, so that is pretty bomb. All I'm really going to have to do is slap this wig on. But of course, I might play with it, style it a little bit, but I don't know what all you need to do to this kind of wig. Like, look at that. It looks beautiful. So happy I don't have to do any work. I can just throw this thing on. Super easy, and this kind of wig is great for beginners. If you aren't too good at bleaching knots or plucking hairlines, this is the kind of wig for you guys. But this is really, really nice. 24 inches, and this is super thick. Like, I'm kind of amazed by this texture. I've never had a kinky straight texture. Like here, like you can see this curl pattern. Like this is how my hair looks when I take down my braids, honestly. Like, you know, right before you wash your hair, this is how it looks. So this is really cute. Like there's the inside. You can see more of the kinky curl texture on the inside. It has an elastic band, which is super duper nice. You need this if you're gonna rock it glueless. And it does have combs on the inside. Let me remove this little paper. It does have combs in the back, and that's it. I always end up removing my combs because they end up pulling out my hair like towards the top. So I do have this, so I'm gonna spray a little bit of this on the wig to make it a little closer to my skin tone. Oh, it looks so cute. Okay, hold on. So I did get a little lace spray in the lace. Oh, how cute. It looks like my real hair. This is really adorable. Like, this is my real hair, you guys. You can't tell me this is not my real hair. This is my real hair. Yep. Anybody asks, it's my real hair. Let me flat iron this because I did get a little lace tint in the actual hair. So let's like hot comb that a little bit. But yeah, this is my hair, you guys, and you cannot tell me any differently. If you think differently, you're obviously a hater. Like, this is my hair. This is mine. Like, yes, this is so, so cute. Okay. Huh. So you can see you have more of the like really uniform or like tighter curl down here where you can see, but like, wow, this is fun. This is really cute. This is something I've never done before. I don't even think this needs baby hair. Like, look at that flipped over. Like, this is my hair. This is my hair, you guys. I am sorry. This is mine. This is really, really cute. Like, look at that. They did a really good job plucking this wig. Like, look at this. Like, dang, this is my hair, you guys. It's mine. And what about it? Like, it looks like maybe I got a perm or something on the top to where my edges are super flat. Like, I can do a nice little updo with this wig, and it is completely glueless. As you all can see, I took it out the pack, slapped it on, other than adding the lace tint. Let's do a cute little updo. Or maybe I should do like, have a little strand down here. Like, strand down. Oh, this is so cute, you guys. Like, let's see. It's adorable. Like, it really looks like mine. I'm shook. Kinky straight is like a very nice texture. Okay, this is fun. That's cute. This is mine. It's my hair. Of course it is. Of course it's my hair. So cute. I'm obsessed. Like, I don't think you understand. Like, look at that. This is exactly how my hair looks when I get like a perm. It really is. Like, this is cute. That is a cute style. Of course, you can just kind of flip it to the side like that. Like, y'all, I've never had this texture before. Like, this is fun. Very cute. Okay. And let me show you all how long 24 inches in a kinky straight wig is. So, okay, it's like right at the top of my butt, you guys, like right there. So it is pretty long, but this is really pretty. Okay. I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay. Super easy to throw on. I feel like this is a nice style to have like for a little while. Like, I'm so happy I can just pull it off when I want to pull it off and put it back on when I want to put it back on. Like, I love that. Let's add a little makeup to the part because that lace tint did like kind of change the color a little bit. So let's make the part a little more apparent. And bam, you guys, like, this is so cute. It really is. Let me add a little mousse at the top and see what happens because I do love the little moussey look. Let's add a little mousse. You can see you can kind of get like more wave back when you wet this. I do want to see like what happens when I really wet it. Like, yeah. That is it for this video, you all. I hope you all enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.